Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Today's stock pick is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSM. Check out technical analysis. Daily US stock watch list with technical analysis. Disclaimer: this video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. US stocks watch list, technical analysis included. November 10, 2023. Simple moving average, SMA. 50-day period moving average. TSM trading above 50-day MA period. With October sales up because of strong demand for TSM advanced chip process, we could be expecting more upside from TSM. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Average Directional Index, ADX. ADX below 20-week trend but ND above DI suggest bullish upside move. I believe TSM will be gathering some upside move to push the ADX higher into developing trend. Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI not showing sign of buying or selling interest. It might change after today's trading as investors should be looking forward for the potential presented by TSM new advanced chip process. Disclaimer: this video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action.